What's up, my beautiful people? It's our girl here, Summer Park, bro. If you're new to my channel, welcome. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Thank you so much for always coming back. So guys, it's a very chilly morning. We thank God for the free breath and this opportunity to see this day. We can't take it for granted. Yeah. So guys, I'm here to my sister's place, Violet. I'm chilling here because my mom is here too. So I always come here and spend time with them. And maybe spend time with my mom too, because I need to spend time with my mom because we have not been seeing each other for long. So I normally come here so I can spend time with my mom. And this is where I take my tea every morning. This is where I come and take tea every morning. Since you guys are used to me taking tea to my dad, and my dad he hasn't come back from the village, and yeah, I miss my dad. Yeah, so I hope he'll come back soon. So I'm here at my sister's place. I've already taken my tea, guys, and I'm so full. Thank you so much, Violet. Thank you. So guys, today is a very special day too. Today it's Johnson's trainer, my brother's son's birthday. Navis, the small kid, the boy, not Randy, the small kid, Navis, is turning 3 years old, and this is going to be a first birthday party. This is going to be the first, guys, the first birthday party for him. We are really excited, and I've come to help in food preparation. So I'm going to cook beans and rice, and my mom is going to help me cook the beans and rice, since my mom used to cook back then. Before she went to the village to stay there, she used to prepare beans and rice and chapati, and she used to sell it to people, and people like it. So my brother's wife trusted my mom so that she can prepare for the family the beans and the rice. So I'm going to help my mom to do that. So you have the ingredients here. Where are they? So we have already bought the ingredients to cook the beans with my mom, because the beans we had already boiled it yesterday, so that coming this morning it will be easy for us to start preparing the beans, because we needed it to boil and to be soft so that you can prepare it. So guys, here is Johnson's wife, and here's my mom. Here's my mom. Karen says something. You're happy, yeah?
Yes, I'm very
happy. You're really happy that Davis is doing the first birthday party ever, yeah?
Yes.
We don't have a lot, like it's a small celebration,
yeah.
And we're going to invite the kids on the area, Navy's friends, family, you know. Yeah, just to appreciate Navis for turning 3 years old.
Yes.
And yeah. So here's my mom. Mom, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so this superwoman here is going to help me, and she has been doing the Jiko, guys, the Jiko. Yeah, so so you're ready?
Yeah.
You're ready?
Yeah.
So my wife, so guys, Johnson's wife, yeah, she made, guys. So the popcorns, it's been cooked by my niece Queen, so I'm not going to do the popcorns because she knows how to do popcorns. That's why we have given him the part of doing the popcorns. We want everything to go fast, you know, like yes. This one is holding this one, so that everything can go smooth and very fast. Yeah, so that we can have, the weather is not weathering, it's raining, but it won't stop us from doing the celebration for the kid. Yes. And we're so excited. Yeah, so guys, I'm heading to my big sister's place. I'm going to take back the ring light, because the ring light belongs to my niece Queen, and I believe she wants to use it to do her content. So I'm going to take it back. Yeah, don't know if I can pass there. Let me pass here. Yeah, so guys, says a cheer. My big sister, say hi.
Hi.
You are mopping, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, so let me take this to Queen. I remove shoes. Here's your ring light. So guys, I've given back the owner the ring light, because I believe she wants to use it too, because she's the one preparing the popcorns. How's everything?
Everything is going fine.
Everything is going fine.
Yeah.
Even as we want to start cooking the beans. Mary, say hi.
Hi.
Come say, we want to see your face.
Hi.
Yes, there is Mary. The tomatoes. I want everything to be ready. So I'm going to start cutting my tomatoes. So these tomatoes, there are a lot. I don't think we're going to cut them all of it. You're really excited. So I hope Vin and Lenny will come. Maybe if they're not busy, they will come. So I'm going to cut the tomato first. Then I'm going to cut the kitungu hoho. Pilipili hoho. I don't know why I keep forgetting the name of this pilipili hoho in Kiswahili, but in English. My mom is helping me so that we can go fast. So she's cutting the onions. I'm cutting the tomatoes. Your knife is sharp. Mine is not sharp.
Take this one.
You have to use that for onions. A sharp one.
Okay.
So guys, after we are done with this, we are going to start preparing the beans, and then we are going to cook the rice the last. Yeah, because we can't cook the rice now, it will be cold first. So we want to cook beans first, then we start cooking the rice. You are finished? Not yet. Guys, to be honest, here in Kibera, is not doing birthday is not something that is there. It's so rare to find someone doing a birthday, you know. So this is going to be special for Nevis, Johnson's son. It's so rare to find someone doing birthday. The birthday party is not something that is in the people in Kibera's mind. They always say that's a normal day. Yeah, they just, even some people don't do it they're having a birthday. Yeah, but they just say it's normal, it's just a normal day. Yeah, so that is enough. Yeah, maybe you add another one. Two. So my mom is saying for me to cut the pilipili. Pilipili hoho. Two of them, it will be enough, yeah?
Yeah.
So this birthday party is going to miss my dad. Mrs. YouTube, come back. Na, 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 na. Hey. So guys, by the way, my mom she's not used to seeing me dancing. I think I should dance for her so that she can see me how I dance. She knows I love dancing, but she have never seen me dancing . So guys, here's our beans. Like I said, we boiled it yesterday. Now it's ready. It's only putting the ingredients inside, and then everything will be good. Here's our beans. It's a lot. This will feed a lot of kids. And then here we have our ingredients. We are done cutting them. Our onions and our tomatoes and kitunguu saumu, pilipili hoho. Guys, pilipili hoho and kitunguu saumu, that's all. I'm not getting them, but it's okay. I'm still learning. Yeah. So we are done cutting them. So our salad has arrived and now it's ready. So we're going to put the onions. So there's our onions getting ready. After that, we're going to put the tomatoes. Yeah? So guys, we decided to use this cooking stick because it's a poor conductor of it. It won't burn our hands. So we're going to give our onions time to turn brown, and then now we can put tomatoes. Yeah? So guys, you can see our onions. They already started turning brown, but they're not even, I think they're brown already. Yes, ma? No. Yeah. Not yet? Okay. So guys, my mom is the one doing that part. Yeah, so it's time to put our tomato and so we're going to stir and mix the all ingredients together. That's what my mom is doing right now. So she's stirring now the mixture together, and then we're going to give it time for the tomato to get soft and ready. And now we can put the beans. Yeah, so that's what we are doing. So we're going to give it time like 6 minutes, and then you can put the beans. Asante. So guys, you can see my mom is putting salt now. So today I'm cooking with my mom. I'm really excited. We are doing this with my mom. So again, we're going to stir our mixture together so that the salt will be everywhere and mix with the ingredients. So guys, you can see our tomatoes, they're soft now and ready. So I'm going to add our ingredient, another one. Our choosing mix. This is called curry powder. Curry powder, yeah. This is what we're going to use to make our food taste good. Yeah. So I'm going to add another one. I can start feeling the aroma. It's so nice. Yeah, it smells so good. So guys, you're going to stir again. You can see how it has changed. It's so thick now. So you're mixing everything now together. Hey guys, you can see, hey, this looks so nice. So everything was mixed. We have everything that we wanted inside or in everything. Yeah, so I think we're going to give it like 2 minutes again, and then now we can put our beans here. Yeah, this is what we're going to put inside the ingredients here. So guys, we're going to change sufuria, because the sufuria we are using, it's too small, because it won't even make a good soup for the kids. So we have decided to use this big sufuria. Now you can see it has a space. Yeah. So this sufuria is best, is the best. So now you can see it has space. The beans they're filling the sufuria well. Yeah. So we're going to give it time to boil. The beans to mix with everything, the ingredients, the salt, and then everything will be ready. So we're just going to give it time now. We have already added our soup. You can see it's a lot of soup now. We're adding salt again, because when you're adding water, you have to add another salt. And then you stir it again. Okay. Everything is falling in the house. My mom, she's going to cook it. See, our beans is getting ready now, and we want to change the sufuria so we can start cooking the rice, and so the food will be ready and everything will be set, and we start doing the birthday party. Yeah, there is our beans. It looks so good, so we want to change it. Nishike, I have to be careful. So guys, the reason why we are changing it into this thing here, because we want to use this sufuria, because we only have one sufuria that can feed everything that we are cooking today. Yeah. So we're going to use this again to cook the rice. So now it's time to put the rice so that it can get ready. So we're trying to help each other so that we can go fast and everything can go in like as planned. That's why we're trying to work as a team. There's still more rice here?
Yes.
So this is the first round putting the rice. So my big sister is going back to wash another rice, and then she'll bring it. And I don't know, I just noticed this. These are mushrooms. I don't know why they are growing here. I think it's because of the rain that is coming from the roof when it's raining. So when the rain comes, you can see there's some walls, meaning holes in the roof. So I think when it's raining, they're coming here and they're making the soil wet, and then this starts growing everything here. And what is this? Yeah, you can see this our house wall looks like. Things are growing. Mushrooms are growing here. Maybe start eating them. Yeah. So The second rice is here. So guys, our rice is ready. As you can see, this will be enough for the kids because yeah, it's going to be enough. So everything is ready now. The beans, the rice, everything is ready. Yeah, so we just want the kids to come, then we start serving, and then we sing happy birthday to Johnson's son, Nevis, and then we call it a day. Yeah, so we are really excited and everyone is waiting to eat. We are really hungry because it's past 1, like, you know, so we can't wait to eat. Stew the cabbage. So I'm going to teach here my big sister how we stew cabbage. Yeah, so first we're going to put salad. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Because you know they were saying us that we cook the cabbage with onions and tomato, and I was like, nah, we just have to stew it with salad only. Yeah, so you put salad. There's the salad. And so you're going to put salad. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah. So you're going to give it time, okay? And then now you're just going to put the cabbage, sour.
Yes.
And then you'll be just stirring until all the parts get the salad, and then you give it a time. Like the cabbage doesn't have to be ready. So just stir, and then you can remove the cabbage. Yeah.
Yes.
So that's how we stew it. So you can see there is our salad. It doesn't get ready yet. So guys, finally the cooking is over, and I'm so happy I did this for Johnson, my brother, and I'm so happy I did this also for Nevis, his son, for his birthday. Yeah, so the cooking is over because of teamwork. Yes. So we're now putting the cabbage in the salad. So after this, we're just going to stir sour. Yes. Yeah, and then now you can just remove the cabbage. Yeah, like that. Yeah, you just do like that. You mix everything. Aimbeni mkenanga kwa line.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Pole pola.
Happy birthday to you. Mama, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Change our spot because where the kids were, it started raining, and for me I don't like kids when they rain on because they will be sick, and you know the condition now is very bad. Yeah, so I've tried to fix them here in my mom's corner. At least here there's some a little bit of shadow, like the rain doesn't get here a lot. So and they, like, I just want them to be safe.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One, two. Aya, tumibe happy birthday ya mwisho, sawa? Aya, birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sawa. Atuimbeni. Tena. I'm back at my mom's place, Violet's place. Let me call it like that. And I've bought my mom a cake. I don't know if you can see it because there's no electricity. You know, my mom didn't want to eat. She didn't take anything because she was worried about Lenny, because Lenny had a little she was sick. So, but she has made it to Nevi's birthday. So they're coming to my mom right now because I left here before. I left Johnson's place so I can come and bring my mom a cake so that she can eat something. You know, like my mom was really worried, like, you know, like we were telling her to eat and she didn't want because of Lenny was we had a call that Lenny was not feeling well. There's my mom. You can see how she's sad. But I've told her that Lenny is coming now and everything's going to be okay. And guys, so don't forget to hit the subscribing button, like, share, comment, and see you in the next video. Bye.